Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove shortcut arrow icons from your computer. Here you can see I have arrow icons in this all application. So if I remove these all icons, then my PC screen will be clean and looking good. So let me show you how we can remove these types of arrow icons from our application. So before we start the video, please do subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do, just hold on Windows button and alphabet R together, then your PC run command will be open. Now just here type Reg Edit, then click on OK. After that one message will be appear here, just click on yes, then your Registry Editor will be open. After open this Registry Editor, click on HQ local machine. Then from here go to software option, then go to the Microsoft, then scroll down until you find Windows option. After find it, expand this option, then click on current version. Finally select Explorer and right click on it, then go to new and click on key, then type here capital S shell and icons with capital I and hit the enter. After that in the right side here click on right button, then go to new, then click on string value, then cut this and type here 29 and enter. Now double click on it and in value data type this command. I will give this in the description. Percentage WinIR percentage backward slash system 32 backward slash shell 32 dot DLL comma negative mark 50. After type it, just click on OK. Then minimize this tab. You can see here arrow icon is still showing. So now we have to restart our Windows Explorer from the Task Manager. Let me show you. Task Manager command is Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. So hold on Ctrl, Shift and Escape together. After open this Task Manager, find out here Windows Explorer. As you can see here is my Windows Explorer. So just right click on it and then click on restart. Now just close it. Now as you can see from my application all shortcut arrow icons are removed. So like this way you can easily remove this shortcut icon. If you again want to bring them back, then just reopen your Registry Editor and delete this string value. Click on yes. Now close this tab. Then again go to the Task Manager and search for Windows Explorer. Then right click and restart it. Now you can see all arrow icons are again come back. So friend, like this way you can easily remove the arrow icons from your PC and also you can bring them back like this way. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get more this types of important video. Thanks for watching this video.